welcome to online classes. Now today we are going to start chapter 13, past continuous tense. Okay. So students, continuous, continuous means it shows that the work is going on. Yes, continuous. We use continuous for showing that the work is going on. Okay. And here the word past continuous. Okay, so past means the work which has been done, that has already done, जो बीत गया, that is our past. So past continuous tense, it means that the work which has been, means which was going on at some time in the past. Okay, so past continuous tense, it tells us about an action that was going on or continuing at some time in past. ओके, पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस जो होता है वो हमें ये बताता है, ये पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस में जो हमारा वर्ब होता है वो हमें ये शो करता है कि जो हमारा एक्शन है वो पास्ट में, मतलब बीते हुए टाइम पे किसी वक्त वो काम जो है वो हो रहा था. ठीक है, उस टाइम पे वो काम हो रहा था. And all of you are knowing this, that in continuous we are using ing form of the verb. Yes, we have done present continuous tense. So continuous tense we use ing form of the verb. So in past continuous also we will use ing form of the verb, and here we will use was and were. Okay, in past continuous what we will use? We will use was and were with the ing form of the verb. Was and were. This will show that it is past. Okay. In present continuous tense, you are using is and are and ing form of the verb. Yes. In past tense, what you will use? You will use was and were with ing form of the verb. Okay. So this was and were, it will indicate that this is past tense, and ing, this will indicate ing form of the verb. This will indicate that it is your continuous tense. Okay, so past continuous tense it will show. So here again, don't get confused in simple past and past continuous. What is the difference between it? For example, I am saying I went. Okay, I went. So what does it mean? मैं गया था. This is your past. ये simple past है. I went. मैं गया था. That means this work has been finished. मैं गया था. Okay. But when I am saying I was going. I was going. So here what I have used? I have used was. Okay. And I have used ing form of the verb. So was going. This indicates, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? मैं जा रहा था. ठीक है. So I was going. This indicates that मैं जा रहा था. Past में एक वक्त, मतलब ये काम जो है वो कर रहा था एक टाइम पे. ठीक है, पीछे एक टाइम पे ये काम मैं कर रहा था. ओके, दैट वर्क वाज नॉट फिनिश्ड. ये अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ है, कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ है. इट वाज गोइंग ऑन, ये कंटिन्यू हो रहा था. बट कब हो रहा था? पास्ट में हो रहा था. क्यों? बिकॉज आई हैव यूज्ड वाज वर्ड हियर. ओके, सो वाज, इट इज टेलिंग दैट दिस वर्क इज continuing, going on in past. Okay, so that is why this is your past continuous tense. So whenever we have to tell about any action or say about any action that we were doing in past, जो हम अपने past में कर रहे थे, उस किसी काम के बारे में जब भी हमें बताना होता है तो हम कौन सा tense use करते हैं? Past continuous tense. Okay, and in past continuous tense, what things we have to keep in mind? We have to use was and were with ing form of the verb. Now this you are knowing. Was, when you will use was you will use with singular subject, है ना? Singular subject के साथ हम क्या use करेंगे? Was, या फिर I, he, she, it, इन सारी चीजों के साथ भी हम क्या use करेंगे? Was. Okay, so with singular subject, with I, with he, she, it, we will use was and ing form of the verb. And were we will use for what? Plural subject. जब हमारे plural subject होंगे they, you, at that time we will use were and ing form of the verb in past continuous tense. Understood till here? Now see the example. I was going to the market. मैं मार्केट जा रहा था. मतलब ये काम पास्ट में हो रहा था, कर रहा था. So this work was continuing, ये हो रहा था, अभी फिनिश नहीं, मैं I was going to market में जा रहा था, ठीक है. So I have used here past continuous tense was going. Okay. Boys were making noise. Now here your subject is plural, so we will use were and making because ये काम हो रहा था past में, continuous में है, तो इसलिए हम यहाँ पे क्या यूज करेंगे, ing फॉर्म यूज करेंगे verb का, and because you have plural subject, so we will use were with it. So boys were making noise. Okay, लड़के जो है वो, बहुत सारे लड़के यहाँ पे, तो वो क्या कर रहे थे, noise कर रहे थे, ठीक है. In past they were doing this one, they were making noise in past. So that is why we are using here were and ing form of the verb. So children, you just remember this thing that ing form of the verb means continuous. वो काम जो है वो हो रहा है, okay. And if we are using was and were with it, that means this work is being done in past. ये past में काम हो रहा था, ठीक है. अगर हम ing फॉर्म के साथ is, am, are लगा देते हैं, then it means कि ये वर्क जो है ये प्रेजेंट अभी हो रहा है, ठीक है. एंड इफ वी विल यूज विल, ing फॉर्म के साथ हम विल यूज कर देंगे, देन इट विल शो दैट, विल या शैल यूज करेंगे, देन इट विल शो दैट ये काम जो हमारा फ्यूचर में हो रहा था, ठीक है. बट बिकॉज वी आर यूजिंग ing फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्क, इट मीन्स द वर्क इज कंटिन्यूइंग, हो रहा, ओके, हो रहा था, बिकॉज पास्ट हो रहा था, ओके. You can see more examples. So here what will be the rule of your framing the sentence? Framing a sentence in past continuous tense, a statement in past continuous tense. It is I, he, she, it or singular subject. With that you will use was, then verb in ing form and then your object. Okay. And if you have plural subject or you, they, we, with that you will use verb plus ing form of the verb and your object. Okay, so this is the rule, this is the framing of the sentence in past continuous tense. Okay, so understood, past continuous tense, it shows an action, that it shows that an action was going on or continuing at some time in past. पास्ट में जो एक्शन हो रहा था या कोई काम जो पास्ट में हो रहा था, उसके बारे में हमें पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस जो है वो बताता है या उससे हमें पता चलता है. ओके. एंड टू मेक अ सेंटेंस पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस या फिर अपनी पास्ट में की हुई किसी काम के बारे में बताने के लिए व्हाट वी यूज इन पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस, वी यूज was and were with ing form of the verb. Okay, so our framing of the sentence statement in past continuous tense is just first we write the subject, according to the subject we use was and were, and then we write ing form of the verb and then our object. Okay, now we will see how to make a sentence negative in past.